babes, what's up? I took some time off. I did the motherly thing, I did the wife thing, and now it's game time, bitch.
What? Child. Anyway, so
today, y'all, we're gonna be doing a little cute video on how to smell good and taste good all day, every motherfucking day. So we're gonna start with the most important thing, which is the vagina, period. So let's talk about shaving. Okay, first of all, my best friend put me on to shaving with baby oil. When I say y'all, oh shit, I almost fell. Okay, y'all, shaving with baby oil is, girl, it's the bomb. So when you shave with baby oil. I like Nair. Bitch, I look what? And I know Nair say don't use it on your vagina, but I use it on my vagina, but I just don't use it on like the inside. You feel me? So let me tell y'all what I do. I use the Nair on the outside, like the bikini line, and then I go in with a razor just to touch it up. And also, y'all want to make sure you shave often. Don't let your hair get all bushy down there, because hair holes smell. If nobody told you that, I'm gonna tell you now. Hair holes smell, baby. And then it's like when you go out and about and you sweating, and it just get all that bacteria, all that sweat just gets stuck up in the hair, and it's just it makes a really bad smell. So you don't want to do that. Also, if you have a bad smell, you can use some powder. I don't use powder at all on my vagina, but you could use, this is baby powder. I wouldn't recommend, I mean, you could use it, but what I was gonna say is they have powders you can use that's made for the vagina. Oh, that leads me to my next tip. Don't use vaginal wash. And I know you're gonna be thinking like, girl, what is you talking about? That's, no. Vaginal wash like Summer's Eve, Vagisil, all that is not good for you. This is what's gonna happen. If you use vaginal wash consistently, your body gonna feel like it needs it. So when you go too long without using it, you're gonna start to smell, baby. Okay, why do I still have this in my hand? But all I use is water, and that is all I need. Baby, she smell like water. She smell like water, period. Okay,
damn, you hit the spot.
Your body naturally does not need any well, your vagina don't need soaps to keep it clean. You can use water to just clean it. It's gonna be perfectly fine. I promise you, girl. I promise you. Oh, and also, if you having like really bad like yeast infections or bacteria infections, drink some cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is the bomb, baby. Do the pure cranberry juice. Don't do like cranberry apple. Girl, I love me some cranberry, strawberry, apple, all that shit is so good. But you want to get rid of those bacteria infections, baby, drink the pure cranberry juice, because even the regular cranberry juice tastes good too. So, and also make sure, y'all, when you have an sex, baby, wrap it up. Okay, wrap it up, because a man, is my ring light up? My ring light was not all the way up. Okay, anyways, a man can give you bacteria infections, because if a penis is dirty, he gonna make your vagina dirty, baby. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the teeth and the lips and the mouth, period. Okay, y'all, get a new toothbrush every 2 months, and make sure you're using the best toothpaste for you. Like, it's a billion toothpastes out there. Make sure you got the one that is perfect for you, baby. Okay, I like to use AIM. I like the taste of it, and it's just really good.
what?
So, and also when you're brushing your teeth, literally, y'all, you can eat a fruit, go brush your teeth, eat another fruit, and your breath gonna smell good. I promise. Try it, okay? And if you also want to get something that makes your lips taste good, I like to use Victoria's Secret lip gloss. It's really, really sweet, girl. And you can also get, you know, one of those fruity chapsticks out the store, or whatever you want to do. But yes, make sure you're keeping the mouth smelling really good. Okay, period. So now let's talk about hair. Your hair is one of the biggest parts of how your body smells, especially if you having some super long hair, girl. People gonna smell your hair before they smell you, and your scent is just always on your hair. I like to wash my hair with something that smells super fucking good, like Pantene. Baby, get you some Pantene with the matching conditioner. Your hair gonna be smelling so good for a long ass time. I like to use shampoo and conditioner that smells so good and it's so strong that it literally stays in my hair for a long ass time. That's exactly what Pantene do. Don't be washing your hair with that stank ass shampoo and conditioner and thinking that it's all, no. You want your hair to smell good, okay? Don't be thinking it's all good just using anything. No, use this. It's like $4, $5, I don't know. Usually when I have in braids like this, obviously I can't wash my hair before I leave the house, but I think it'd be a good idea to, like, if you have on a wig, wash your wig before you leave the house. So, like, you know, if you're going to a sneaky link or whatever you're going to do, your hair smells fresh and it don't smell like, you know, flat irons or curling irons, you know. All right, y'all, so let's move on to the body. period. When you're taking a shower, you want to make sure you're using a really good body wash, because y'all know how some body washes can be watery and shit. We don't want that. We don't do that. So you want to get a thick body wash. I like to use Dove body wash, but I don't have it with me right now. I didn't feel like getting it. I ended up just grabbing this Dial body wash, which is still good too. Ooh, Dial smells so good. Ooh, shit. Dial smells so good too, y'all. Like, period. But get you a good body wash. You want those thick body washes that's gonna really lather your body up. And you know, like when you get out the shower, you still smell like your body wash. That's what you want. You don't want those watered down as Family Dollar body washes that don't do nothing. You don't want that. I like to use a bar soap first. Oh my gosh. I like to use a bar soap first. Then I like to go in with a body wash afterwards, so that I'm like super duper clean. You feel me? And once I get out, where's the lotion? Hold on. Okay, once you get out the shower, you want to lotion up, right? Lotion down. What the fuck, lotion up? Is that a lotion up? No, lotion down. You want to lotion down your body. This is a body butter that comes from Victoria's Secret. Body butters, what is the difference between, I really don't know the difference between a body butter and a lotion. I think body butters are thicker. I think that's what it is. But yeah, this is a body butter from Victoria's Secret. You can use whatever you want to, but one thing about it, honey, when you take a shower and you consistently lotion your body, you will feel super duper soft. I promise you. Like, lotioning your body will feel so soft. My mama put me on to that. Like, honestly, if you consistently lotion your body, you're gonna feel like a fucking baby, period. And okay, so after you lotion up your body, of course you need some perfume.
Child. Anyway, so
this is my favorite perfume right now. It's called Good Girl. It's an expensive perfume, but you know, whatever. It smells really, really good. If you want to use this, I also like body sprays as well, but I like to use these to like freshen up. You feel me? I like to use perfumes, you know. I mean, I like to use these to freshen up too, but this is like this would be like my main smell, and then throughout the day, period. You know what I'm saying? This is how I like to spray. I like to, period. Okay, you gotta get that hair. Most people be like 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I do 50, period. On the back of the neck, all that. And let me show y'all a trick. If you plan on kissing somebody, you can spray your finger. It's dripping. Spray your finger and then go like this to like the top of your lip. So when they kiss you, they gonna smell your perfume. They gonna be like, ooh, she smells good. Period. The last thing is moisturizing your face. There's not a lot of products that you should use that smell really good to moisturize your face, because your face is sensitive. Well, girl, I'm talking like I know you, but for me, my face is sensitive. So I have to use like just cocoa butter. When you get out of the shower or when you're done with your skin routine, girl, whatever you lotion your face with. Okay, I like to use cocoa butter, right? So when I lotion my face, it just smells so good when I get out the shower, and my man be like, oh, you smell so good. Because, you know, if they this close to you, you know, you want your face to be smelling good too, right? Okay, so get you some cocoa butter or do what you gotta do. But don't moisturize your face. I mean, if your face can take Victoria's Secret lotion, do what you gotta do. But I know my face can't. So we ain't doing that, bitch. My shit'll be broken the fuck out. Yeah, I think that's everything, y'all, period. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you learned something, let me know, bitch, period. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. I feel like this video was so short. Whatever.